Dear students, Sat Shri Akal Ji, most welcome in Creative Guruji. Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for latest video notifications. Science class 10th chapter 2 Acids, Base and Salts. After explaining pH scale and importance of pH scale in everyday life, now move to the last topic of this chapter, salts. A substance formed by neutralization of an acid with base is called a salt. A substance formed by neutralization of an acid with base is called a salt. For example, NaOH plus HCl gives NaCl plus H2O. Sodium hydroxide reacts with hydrochloric acid to form sodium chloride and water. Now move to the classifications of salt. Salt have been classified on the basis of chemical formula as well as pH value. Classification based on chemical formula. Number 1, normal salt. A normal salt is one which does not contain any ionizable hydrogen atom or hydroxyl group. This means that it has been formed by the complete neutralization of an acid by a base. For example, NaCl, KCl, etc. all are normal salt. Number 2, acidic salt. An acidic salt still contains some replaceable hydrogen atoms. This means that the neutralization of an acid by the base is not complete. For example, sodium hydrogen sulfate, sodium hydrogen carbonate, etc. all are acidic salt. Number 3, basic salts. A basic salt still contains some replaceable hydroxyl group. This means that the neutralization of the base by the acid is not complete. For example, basic lead nitrate, basic lead chloride, etc. all are basic salts. Next type of classification. Classification based on pH value. Salts are formed by the reaction between acids and bases. Depending upon the nature of the acids and bases or upon the pH values, the salt solution are of three types. Number 1, neutral salt solution. Salt solution of strong acids and strong bases are neutral and have pH equal to 7. They do not change the color of litmus solution. For example, NaCl, NaNO3, etc. all are neutral salt solution. Number 2, acidic salt solution. Salt solution of strong acids and weak bases are of acidic nature and have pH less than 7. They change the color of blue litmus solution to red. For example, NH4 in bracket, SO4, NH4Cl, etc. all are acidic salt solution. Number 3, basic salt solution. Salt solution of strong bases and weak acids are of basic nature and have pH more than 7. They change the color of red litmus solution to blue. For example, Na2CO3, K3PO4, etc. all are basic salt solutions. In both the salts, bases NaOH and KOH are strong while the acid H2CO3 and H3PO4 are weak. Now we are talking about uses of salt. Number 1, as a table salt. Number 2, in the manufacture of butter and cheese. Number 3, in leather industry. Number 4, in the manufacturing of washing soda and baking soda. Number 5, for the preparation of sodium hydroxide by electrolysis of brine. Number 6, rock salt is spread on ice to melt it in cold countries. Now let's move to our next topic, some important chemical compounds. First chemical compound, sodium chloride or common salt or table salt. Sodium chloride, also called common salt or table salt, is the most essential part of our diet. Chemically, it is formed by the reaction between solution of sodium hydroxide and hydrochloric acids. Seawater is the major source of sodium chloride, where it is present in dissolved form along with the other soluble salts such as chlorides and sulfates of calcium and magnesium. It is separated by some suitable methods. Deposits of salt are found in different parts of the world and are known as rock salt. When pure, it is white crystalline solid. However, it is often brown due to presence of impurities. Now move to uses of sodium chloride or common salt. Number 1, essential for life. Sodium chloride is quite essential for life. Biologically, it has a number of functions to perform. such as in muscle contraction, in conduction of nerve impulse in the nervous system, and is also converted in hydrochloric acid, which helps in the digestion of food in the stomach. When we sweat, there is a loss of sodium chloride along with water. It leads to muscle cramps. Its losses has to be its compensated suitability by giving certain salt preparation to the patients. Lacto powder is an important substitute of common salt. Number 2. Raw material for chemicals. Sodium chloride is also a very useful raw material for different chemicals. A few out of these are hydrochloric acid, washing soda, baking soda, etc. Upon electrolysis of a strong solution of salt, sodium hydroxide, chlorine and hydrogen are obtained. Apart from these, it is used in the leather industry for the leather tanning. In serve cold, rock salt is spread on icy cold rod to melt ice. It is also used as fertilizer for sugar beet. Next type of chemical compound, sodium hydroxide. When electricity is passed through the aqueous solution of sodium chloride called brine, it is decomposes to form sodium hydroxide. 2NaCl plus 2H2O gives 2NaOH plus Cl2 plus H2. The process is called the chlor-alkali process because of the product formed chlor for chlorine and alkali for sodium hydroxide. Chlorine gas is given off at the anode and hydrogen gas at the cathode. Sodium hydroxide solution is formed near the cathode. The three products produced in this process are all useful. Figure shows the different uses of these products at cathode, at anode. Let's move to our next important chemical compound, bleaching powder. Bleaching powder is numerically called chlorine of lime or chlorinated lime. You have already come to know that chlorine is produced during the electrolysis of aqueous sodium chloride brine. This chlorine gas is used for the manufacture of bleaching powder. Bleaching powder is produced by the action of chlorine on dry slaked lime. Ca bracket start OH bracket close 2 plus Cl2 gives CaOCl2 plus H2O. Bleaching powder is represented as CaOCl2. The actual composition of bleaching powder is quite complex. Uses of bleaching powder. First one, for bleaching cotton and linen in the textile industry, for bleaching wood pulp in paper factories, and for bleaching washed cloth in laundry. Second, as an oxidizing agent in many chemical industry. Third, for disinfecting drinking water to make it free of germs. Fourth, it is used to prepare chloroform. Next important chemical compound, baking soda. The soda commonly used in the kitchen for making tasty crispy pakoras is baking soda. Sometimes it is added to for faster cooking. The chemical name of the compound is sodium hydrogen carbonate NaHCO3. It is produced using sodium chloride as one of the raw materials. NaCl plus H2O plus CO2 plus NH3 gives NH4Cl, ammonium chloride plus NaHCO3, sodium hydrogen carbonate. Baking soda is represented as NaHCO3. Properties. First one, it is white crystalline substance that form an alkaline solution with water. The aqueous solution of sodium bicarbonate is neutral to methyl orange but gives pink color with phenolphthalein orange. Second one, when heated above 543 Kelvin, it is converted into sodium carbonate to NaHCO3 above 543 Kelvin, Na2CO3 plus CO2 plus H2O. Uses of baking soda or sodium hydrogen carbonate. First one, for making baking powder, which is a mixture of baking soda, sodium hydrogen carbonate and a mild edible acid such as tartaric acid. When baking powder is heated or mixed in water, the following reaction takes place. NaHCO3 plus H positive from any acid gives CO2 plus H2O plus sodium salt of acid. Carbon dioxide produced during the reaction causes bread or cake to rise, making them soft and spongy. Second one, sodium hydrogen carbonate is also an ingredient in antacids. Being alkaline, it neutralizes excess acid in the stomach and provide relief. Third one, it is also used in soda acid fire extinguishers. Number 4, it is an important chemical in textile, tanning, paper and ceramic industries. Let's move to next important chemical compound, washing soda. The chemical name of washing soda is sodium carbonate decahydrate Na2CO3.10H2O. Sodium carbonate is recrystallized by dissolving in water to get washing soda. It is also a basic salt. Na2CO3 plus 10H2O gives Na2CO3.10H2O. Washing soda. Sodium carbonate and sodium hydrogen carbonate are useful chemicals for many industrial processes. Uses of washing soda. Number 1. Sodium carbonate washing soda is used in glass, soap and paper industries. Number 2. It is used in the manufacture of sodium compounds such as borax. Number 3. Sodium carbonate can be used as a cleaning agent for domestic purposes. Number 4. It is used for removing hardness of water. Let's move to the last important chemical compound, plaster of Paris. On heating gypsum at 373 Kelvin, it loses water molecule and becomes calcium sulfate hemihydrate CaSO4 dot half H2O. This is called plaster of Paris. CaSO4 dot 2H2O gypsum gives CaSO4 dot half H2O plaster of Paris plus 3/4 H2O water molecule. The temperature is carefully controlled as at higher temperature gypsum is fully dehydrated. The properties of dehydrated gypsum are completely different from those of plaster of Paris. Plaster of Paris is the substance which doctor uses as plaster for supporting fractured bone in the right position. Plaster of Paris is a white powder and on mixing with water it changes to gypsum, once again giving a hard solid mass. CaSO4 dot half H2O gives 3/4 H2O gives CaSO4 dot 2H2O gypsum. Uses of plaster of Paris. When finely powdered plaster of Paris is mixed with water and made into a paste, it quickly set into a hard mass. The process, its volume also increases lightness. These properties find a number of uses. Addition of water turns plaster of Paris back into gypsum. Number 1. It is used in laboratories for sealing gaps where airtight arrangement is required. Number 2. It is also used for making toys, cosmetic and cast of statues. Number 3. It is used as a cast for setting broken bones. Number 4. It is also find use in making molds in pottery. Number 5. It is also used for making surfaces smooth and for making design on walls and ceilings. In this video or lecture, we will be learn about salts and some important chemical compounds. That's all about this chapter. I hope you will understand the chapter in this lecture. Don't forget to hit the like button and share this video. Subscribe to the channel, keep hard work and make parents' name shine.